In this exercise, we are going to see application of stacks. So far we have studied how to push and how to pop. Everything will take place in the top part. It will be doing. So let us see the application. So the first application we are going to see is how to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. So basically an infix expression means we'll have the operators plus minus in between. That plus minus in between I have to take it to the last. That is my job. So now what is the logic hidden? When can I push? When should I actually there is some logic applied where it is dealing with when to push and pop. So when to push, when if it is the open brackets, automatically your values will be taken inside. When to another cases, the top value is -1 means it is showing that it is full or empty. When you can push only when there is emptiness, means it is more good. So that empty means it's good. So that time you can push, we can say. Then when can I pop? That also we have some things. When it is closing bracket till this bracket comes, till that you can do. And stack the top value. This is regarding to priority. Stack priority. The top value, what is there on the top of the stack, should be greater than the incoming, what is going to come. And the top value, if it is not -1, because top -1 means I said it is empty. Here top not -1 means it is not empty. And alphabet numbers, automatically it will be taken. These are some basic logics. So now let us see the program. So my program will have all these things. So this is a basic how to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. So in this all these things will be given. So normally what the core logic, I'll just explain what we have seen there only. That is the previous slide. Normally for pushing means it has to increment the values on the top. Pop means it has to decrement the values. So but you cannot decrement the value when your stack is full or empty. When it is empty, what will you take it outside? You cannot take anything, so you cannot pop. So that is the condition for push pop. Then regarding to priority, when there is plus and minus, they are coming together, they are considered equal priority. In that case, any one which is to the left of the equation will be considered. So that is what is equal priority. That also we should consider. Then all these parts we have discussed in the slides. Actually, in the slides we saw. If it's alphabet or number, you can take it outside the stack automatically. That is to the expression. If it is inside bracket, open bracket means it will go inside the stack. If it is closed bracket means it will pop out from the stack. And then later the priority conditions. That is when the top value in your stack is, suppose your value, there is a very bigger value is in the stack, and from outside I am bringing a very smaller value, means that time what will happen? This top value, high value will go outside. That is this logic. This I have explained in the previous slide itself. And top not equal to minus, that is if it is not empty only you can pop. No, that is the condition. So the basic logic I have explained already in my logic part. I have explained when to push and when to pop. That's it. Apart from that basic push and pop, equal priority I have not brought it in my thing, because equal priority we have to take left thing, automatically we will consider. So now let us run this program. Run. So enter the prefix expression. Suppose I am giving, this should have a plus in between, 1 plus. Suppose we don't want 1. I'll go for 9 plus 8 minus 7 star 9. You'll get like this. That is, it will be posted next. it's based on priority and all those operations. Suppose now I've used numbers, so let me try with variables. The same program I'm using the variables f plus t star y u slash, then any other symbol left out, minus f. It will work even for letters also, it is going to work. But the basic logic, it's both, all these are the basic concept. Basic concept I have explained in the PPT. Apart from the PPT, this priority concept is considered. I have not explained only this priority, equal priority, and the when to push and pop are basic things. This priority I have not explained so far. So with this program actually ends. Now let us go with to the next program. So next program, so far we have seen infix to postfix. So when I said infix to postfix, so that the program itself I'll do this 4 5 plus is there, no? 4 5 plus. So this 4 5 plus, how I will be able to calculate the value for this? If I give 4 plus 5, you will write 9. 4 5 plus, how will you calculate and give 9? The answer is going to be 9. But how will you calculate? That we are going to see in the next program. So let us see the program. So in this again, the next program is postfix evaluation. So how to so far we converted that infix to postfix, no? So that postfix value you have to find the answer. As I said, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 is converted to 5 4 plus in postfix form. So how to find out the answer? Let us see this question. How will you simplify? What are the there we saw some logics regarding the operators and operands handling. And one thing we have to know that the infix to postfix is completely opposite of postfix evaluation in one thing. That what I said is alphabets and numbers. Normally you will take it outside the stack automatically, but here you have to take the alphabets and number inside the stack. And the logic is like this. So when the alphabets and letters are in the stack, when a plus or minus symbol comes, it will pop it, do the calculation and put it back to the stack. This is the concept. That's it. Nothing other than this. So let us see this program. Okay, now let us see the program. Now let us see the output for this program. Before that, let us see the program. So the logic, as I've explained previously, what did I explain? I said that all my operands will wait for the operator. When the operator comes, that time it will do the calculation and it will push back to the stack. So here, for that only I've given the logic when it should pop. So it will be, my logic will be set up. If it is a number, automatically it will be pushed. So if it is an operator, because the operands are waiting for the operator. So on the arrival of the operator, automatically the operands will start to pop out and they will do the calculation. That is my logic explained in the PPT. And if the top is not equal to 0, that you know, that is the top of the stack. If nothing is there, means it shows like top not equal to top. Normally top should be -1 during emptiness also. Actually, by calculating everything, you should get -1. That is shows the emptiness of the stack. So that is going wrong, means the expression is wrong. In certain cases, with the output itself, it will show it is wrong. Then all these are basic initialization. Top is -1 means it is empty. Then the stack of the top. Then later you have to add the data to the top, and this is how to pop. For popping, it should not be empty, then you cannot pop. For pushing, it should not be full, then only you can push into the stack. So let us see the output of this program. So when I give the expression, suppose I'm giving 6, 7, 8, 9. So since it's a postfix expression, should I give here plus and 9? If I give, it is wrong. That is prefix expression. That is infix expression. Here if it is postfix, I should give only 8, 9 plus. Then let me get the output. So now it is showing it's wrong, because actually, as I said, it has to complete everything. If it is not completing, means it is wrong. So let me try for another case. Suppose I am giving 5, 6, 7, 8. I am just giving all these operations. I will get negative value. So in this case also, it is going to take from the stack and calculate. So when these are the operands, these operands on the arrival of the operator, they will pop out. They will do that calculation and they'll go inside. One important concept is that everybody will make mistake is that when it is popping out, 8 will be popped first, then 7 is next. So what will you do means, during division time and all, what many of them will do is 8 divided by 7 they will write. That is wrong. You should write only 7 divided by 8. If it is division, means here this lowest, then only the top of the stack. Like that only you should do the up. That is a common error made by everyone. And let me try to get a positive value if possible. Okay, 6 plus 7, 13, then 7 plus, so now it should come 6 plus 7, 13. 7 plus 9 it will add, then this it will add and put it inside. This 2 it will add and put it inside. That for that I need 1 plus. Then 7 what value here? That value with this value add. I have used this plus. Then put it inside. That value with this value it has to add, means let me give another plus symbol. So now you will get a positive value. This is just to show how to get the positive value, and the logic also I have explained it. So with this my program ends. Now let us have a quick recap of this. So first, dealing with application of stacks. What was the thing first I discussed? How to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. In this push condition, this only is very important. How the stop is fixed to -1 means it's empty. When it is complete, the stack, nothing is there, means I can push. If something full, everything is full, means I cannot put inside. So that thing you have to check it. This is the initial thing. Then popping. During popping also the closing bracket will be there. Then the priority has to be checked, and during priority checking, the lowest value is coming inside, the highest value is inside, means the highest value should be popped out. That logic. Then top not equal to -1, that is indicating the it is full, then I can pop out. Then alphabet, this all basic logics. And closing thing till the opening thing you have to wait and get the thing. Apart from that, certain things also it's important. What are the things means? Apart from this, equal priority. Suppose plus I am having, plus minus I am having together. That time what will you do? That plus on the left side should be considered first. In that case, and so this one operator like a pyramid shape. thing, no, that operator alone, it is right shift. So if it is right shift like that, if they say, means you have to consider right side. Normal operators what we use is actually priority wise we'll go for plus minus is last. First is division, then apart from that is that arrow mark, top arrow mark operator, then division, then multiplication, then plus minus. That is the basic priority. In that, if some priorities are equal means then we have to go for left side condition. Then little bit regarding push pop we have to see. Then regarding postfix evaluation also, this is very simple. How to simplify this basic logic only. The operand, suppose if it is A means, or 1, 2 like that values means, when a symbol comes 1, 2 is the value, symbol plus is coming means it will add that 1 plus 2, 3. Then after calculation it will be pushed back into the stack. That's it. Thank you for listening to the program.